everyone, it's me Dana from Thrifty Wisdom. Today I'm gonna show you some thrifty tricks to decorate your house for holidays. I will show you that Dollar Tree items can be a good choice to make some beautiful Christmas decor for your house. First, I'm going to show you how to make a cheerful decor for your door, and I will use for that a happy face Santa, a set of 10 glittery plastic snowflakes, and some metal ornaments at the base. In the second project, which is a little Christmas tree, I will use a mix of natural pine tree branches and synthetic. I bought one of those $1 synthetic tree, and which basically is a wire-based tree, and I incorporate those natural branches in the little tree. The natural branches I got from a farm which is selling Christmas tree, and they are free because they are just leftover, fall on the ground, and I asked if I can have them. This way, if you have this little tree which is a mix, you'll have the smell of pine tree in the house and you'll feel like Christmas. It's just wonderful. Let's just start. So after we staple together all of them, voila, we have the entire decor. It was easy, right? So, we are done. It looks pretty good. Well, I'm done. Both of my Dollar Tree Christmas decor are done, and they are looking pretty good. Isn't it? I used some of my old Christmas decoration and lights to finish my little tree, and it's just beautiful. I can assure you it's looking even better in the dark, and I'm gonna take some pictures and I'm gonna show you that. If you like my video, share with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe because I'm coming with new video every week and you don't want to miss them. Oh, and by the way, I would like to hear from you. Maybe you can help me out with some ideas, new video. I would love that. Happy holidays, everyone!